Jules Destiny channel. Now we are the continuation of part 2. We are in the part 3. So there is a neutron star named PSR J09010607. This is the most enigmatic neutron star. This neutron star is located in the Vela X1 region. It has a deadly light in our galaxy with the most deadliest radiations and ultraviolet light. This is UV rays. Our sun's UV rays is different. This star UV rays are so dangerously and even so enigmatic and even more, but we know that can become a black hole if one star exploded. If PSR J09010607 is one of the fastest spinning neutron stars, it releases pulsars. This neutron star is an most enigmatic and blue cultivated layers, but it has an hydrogen fuel. This hydrogen fuel could be used for the strong radiation pulses, that the pulses can rotate so seemingly strong, and a power called magnetas. These magnetas are so dangerously big and even holds the largest record of the neutron star. It spins fast. It only releases decoys. This one, PSR J09010607 is another neutron star. It is not the smallest neutron star, but it is located far from the Earth. This much far it is located, and it has an enormous size. Even so enormous, the smallest star we know we can find in next one. PSR J09010607 can pulsars. It proportionally the radiations are certainly caused by the massive internal G-forces and anything you need to understand about this star PSR J09010607. But the explosion will be so deadly, destroying all the other objects in the universe could be so strong.